How to remove app names on Samsung phone home screen, specifically on One UI7. Now, this will actually work on any kinds of operating system or any kinds of Android version. As long as you're using a Samsung phone, I'm gonna help you removing app names on your Samsung phone home screen. It's very easy. First is just simply look for your gear icon, which is gonna be settings. Tap on that, and then in here, scroll down until you find the option that says home screen, which is going to be right here. So once you're on the home screen settings, you should be able to see app size, app labels, widget labels, and as well as the specific grid layout for your home screen view. Now, removing your app names on Samsung phone is very easy. So simply turn off app labels, which will disable all the names that you have in your home screen like so. And then if you go back to that settings again, just turn it on like so. And that's it. That's how you remove app names on Samsung phone home screen One UI 7.